Creating accessible email in MS Outlook 2013. When sending email, you want to be sure that it can be easily read by people using a variety of device types, as well as people who may have visual impairments, who may be physically impaired and have difficulty using a mouse, or who may have cognitive or neurological issues. The keys to making your email accessible to the widest possible variety of users are clarity and structure. Some simple things that you're probably already doing include giving your message a clear subject line, keeping your message concise and avoiding unnecessary graphics, considering whether a longer or complex email might be better sent as a document attachment, and avoiding long signature files or vCard attachments. Here are a few things that you may not have thought about. First, consider your text format. Accessibility guidelines recommend that you use a sans serif font rather than a serif or script font. Calibri, Verdana, and Arial are all good choices. Font size should be 12 points or higher. And text should be in a high contrast color. Black text on a white background is best. You can already see how much clearer this text is. Consider also the structure of your email. Don't assume that white space will provide a good section marker. It won't to a screen reader. Click Format Text and use the built-in styles in the Paragraph and Styles sections of the toolbar. For example, use heading styles, bulleted list styles, and numbered lists. If you don't like the way the text looks, click the Change Styles button and choose from several built-in style templates. Black and white is always a safe bet. If you include an image in your message, you'll need to check the image layout options. Click the image and click the Layout Options icon. Be sure it is set to inline with text. You should stay away from using any of the wrapping styles, as text wrapping of images makes it difficult or impossible for a screen reader to interpret. You'll also have to provide alternative text descriptions for your image. Right-click the image and choose Format Picture. Choose the Layout and Properties button and Alt Text. Add descriptive text to the description field. This helpful text will display in place of your image in some email programs and on adaptive devices. This is especially important if your image contains content that is not explained in the text itself. Finally, if you'll be including links in your message, it's tempting to simply copy and paste the link from a browser into your message. Unfortunately, this is very difficult to read, especially for longer URLs. Instead, use the Hyperlink button on the toolbar to change the text that will display for your link. It's generally good practice to use the title of the page to which you're linking in order to avoid confusion. Keeping these simple techniques in mind will help ensure that your email messages can reach the widest variety of users.